Hi, my name is Dennis Jin, UR14CS319, and I am here to explain the fifth experiment, which is about subquery and correlated subquery. Our objective here is to manipulate the scheme objects for the given furniture company using subquery and correlated subquery. Okay, our first question is to find the names of customers who have ordered for a cherry or a red oak finish. So basically, our syntax is to select customer name from customer where customer ID in select customer ID from ord where ord ID in select ord ID from order quantity where product ID in select product ID from product where product line ID in cherry red oak. This is basically a subquery of this is a subquery within a query in which first off we are the SQL will compare the description of each product, and it'll look for cherry and red oak and return those products, only those products, along with the names of the customers who have ordered cherry. We have given the command as select customer name, so thus only the customer name will be displayed. Here we have three results for which cherry and red oak finish have been applied to. Secondly, we are told to find the name of customers who have ordered for the product table lamp. Here we are told to use the in operator. Select customer name from customer where customer ID in the keyword in. Select customer ID from ord where order ID in select order ID from order quantity where product ID in select product ID from product where product description in table lamp. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. So basically here the in operator will allow you to specify multiple values. So here we have SQL has returned two rows of whom of customers who have ordered for a product table lamp. So it looks for the keyword table lamp within the product description and returns the name of the customer who have all returned, who have all purchased product table lamp. Thirdly, we are told to find the details of customers who have ordered for product ID 1000. We are also told to use exists. Our syntax here is select star from customer C where C customer ID in select O dot customer ID from ord O where O dot order ID in select OQ dot order ID from order quantity where OQ product ID is equal to 1000. Here we use the exist statement. The where exists statement tests for the existence of any records in a subquery. Exists, it returns true if the subquery returns one or more record, which is this case in which it returns one row. In another case, it will return a null set. Exists is commonly used with correlated subqueries. Next, we have question 4. Find suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier called S3. Here we are told to use the keyword as keyword any. The syntax here is select S underscore ID from suppliers grouped by SID having some ordered quantity greater than any select ordered quantity from suppliers where SID is equal to S3. Any is the keyword used here. Any clause. It's generally used within a where or having clause. The any has the function of returning true if any of the subquery values meet the given condition. In this case, the condition is some ordered quantity has to be greater than any selected quantity from suppliers where SID is equal to S3. So thus we have two rows returned here, S2 and S5. These are the suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier called S3. Moving on to question 5, find the supplier with the highest rating of using all. Now, the syntax here would be select SID, SName from suppliers where rating is greater than all, select max rating from suppliers. Um, the all clause is also used with the where or having clause. And the purpose of the all clause is to return true if all the subquery values meet the condition. Any returns true only if any of the subquery values meet the condition. The difference between any and all is that all returns true if all the subquery meets the value of the condition. Here, the condition is not met and thus no data is found. So moving on to the sixth question, we are told to display the products that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. The syntax is select star from product with product ID in select product ID from order quantity where order ID in select order in ID from order where customer ID in select customer ID from customer where customer name is equal to Kathy Cook. As you can see here, one row is returned, and it displays the product that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. Yeah, so the query tells SQL to find a customer named Kathy Cook, and then from there it returns the product. It looks through the product list, and then it finally displays the product that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. Nextly, we have question 7. Display the supplier details whose supply quantity is greater than the quantity ordered quantity of order ID 103. This is more of a comparison statement. The syntax is select star from suppliers where order quantity is greater than any select ordered quantity from order quantity where order ID is 103. So as you can see, there is no data found, which means that our condition here is not met. Yeah, so this condition basically tells us that the supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of the order ID, which is 103. So this condition fails, and thus we are given no feedback, no rows. So our last question is display the ordered quantity of the order whose order date is greater than the order date of order ID 106. The syntax is select ordered ID from order quantity where order ID in select order ID where order date is greater than select order date from where order ID is greater than 106. So any order ID which with order date is displayed is returned, and that is basically the statement over here. And then lastly, what happens is that the ordered quantity of the order whose order date is greater than the order date of order ID 106. There's a comparison statement over here in this subquery over here that compares with 106. And if the ordered quantity of the order whose order date is greater than 106 is found, it returns the data. Here, no such data is found, and thus we are returned no rows. That concludes our experiment number 5. Thank you.